My name is Safaa. I'm from Morocco and I'm doing my PhD here in the ICMol. I studied physics, so for a lot of people, whenever I say that I'm working in a chemical laboratory, they are asking me why. Basically here what we are doing is that there are chemists in labs making new materials based on new molecules, and my work here is to characterize them electrically, magnetically and optically, to try to understand a little bit how those new materials can be used in the future in applications such as in electronics, in medicine, and in different fields. To be more specific about what I am doing, I am working in spintronics. So basically a lot of people know what an electron is. They know that it has a negative charge, but we also use it as a small magnet, and it has different properties when we see it like that, and the idea is to try to understand and study those materials from this point of view. I did my master in France, and I was looking for a PhD and I was looking for a foreigner experience. And I knew I had some contacts here in the lab, and I decided to come here because there was an offer, scholarship offer. And I've always been interested into characterizing materials and not making them, because for me it's more interesting, because I will be able to see and work with different people from different fields. And I enjoy my experience here. Basically, we are working with chemists, with theoreticians, with physicists, and we all are trying to make science advance, but in a new way. All what we have around, from our phones, our computers, our car, everything came because one day some guy or some girl in a lab, in some institute, in some university, was doing fundamental research. So sometimes we don't really completely understand what people are doing in labs, but for sure what they are discovering, what they are understanding now, will be used in the future, or at least we hope that it will be used in the future. Sometimes it's also very hard to guess in which field it will be used. But for sure, understanding the materials, understanding the world that we have around is useful and will be useful.